Brow waxing with soft wax. Learn how to elevate your brow surfaces with Satin Smooth's professional waxing tools and expert techniques. In this video, we'll show you how to perfect your brow waxing technique with Satin Smooth's premium products. Here's a list of the tools and products used: single wax warmer, contour applicators, easy grip strips, non-woven cloth, honey wax with vitamin E, satin cool, satin release, and satin cleanser. Place the protective collar over the warmer opening, then insert the wax can into the well. Close the warmer lid to allow the wax to heat and turn the switch to the on position. Set the temperature dial to high to heat the wax. Once the wax softens, remove the wax can lid. When the wax reaches a thin syrup-like consistency, it's ready for use. Always test the temperature of the wax on the inside of your wrist before beginning the waxing service. Lower the temperature to ensure the wax remains the same consistency and is also comfortable for the skin. Apply satin cleanser to a cotton round and gently cleanse the skin around the brow area. Ensure the area is clean and dry before waxing. Brush brows with spoolie. Using a spoolie brush, gently comb the hair up and out, following the natural direction of hair growth. For perfectly shaped brows, use a brow marking pencil to mark the brows. To mark the front of the brow, hold the pencil vertically from the dimple of the nose to the inner corner of the eye. For the arch, position the pencil diagonally from the dimple of the nose to the outer edge of the iris. This will guide your wax application for precise shaping. For the tail, tilt the pencil from the side of the nostril to the outer corner of the eye. For curly brow hairs, use the spoolie brush to brush hair downward to apply wax above the brow. Satin Smooth contour applicators are the ideal tool for precise wax application. The rounded tip ensures smooth, even wax application, while the pointed end is perfect for contouring and shaping, giving you full control over every detail. Using the rounded edge of a contour applicator, apply a thin layer of wax between the brows in an upward motion. Place a waxing strip over the wax and smooth the strip firmly upward. Hold the skin taut with one hand while quickly pulling the waxing strip in a downward motion, keeping the strip close to the skin. Using the flat side of the contour applicator's rounded edge, apply a thin layer of wax above the brow, starting from the inner brow and extending past the tail. Next, use the flat side of the pointed end to spread the wax above and below the initial line, covering all the hairs to be removed. Thinning the wax layer helps prevent it from spreading when applying the strip. You can also use the pointed tip to separate brow hairs, ensuring they stay clear of the wax. Place a non-woven cloth easy grip strip over the wax, aligning it with the brow's contour. Start laying it down from the inner brow towards the tail, keeping the tab area product-free. Easy grip strips are designed to fit above and below the brow to achieve a perfect arch. With firm pressure, smooth the strip down from the inner brow towards the tail. Hold the skin taut, then firmly grasp the tab and quickly pull the strip towards the center of the brows. To reduce discomfort, apply pressure with your fingers to the treated area. Use the spoolie brush to brush hairs up and outward before applying wax below the brow. Using the flat side of the rounded edge, apply a thin layer of wax below the brow, starting from the inner brow and extending it past the tail. Using the side of the pointed edge, thin out the wax by spreading it down away from the brow. Place the non-woven cloth easy grip strip on top of the treated area, leaving the tab free of any product. With firm pressure, use your finger to smooth the strip from the inner brow towards the tail. While holding the skin taut, firmly grasp the tab and pull the strip quickly towards the center of the brows. Apply pressure with fingers to the area to alleviate any discomfort. On a cotton round, apply satin release onto skin where any wax remains. Apply satin cool with a cotton round to soothe and cool the skin. You can also apply satin cool onto a spoolie and brush the brows up and out to prepare for trimming. Satin cool acts as a hair gel to hold hairs into place. Trim any hairs extending beyond the brow line. Use pointed tweezers to remove any stray hairs that fall outside the defined shape. As you work, clean your tweezers with a cotton round soaked in satin cleanser. Wipe the brows clean with a cotton round and brush the brows with a spoolie once more for a groomed, finished look. Achieving perfectly shaped brows is easy with Satin Smooth's professional waxing tools and expert techniques.